What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another storm vlog. It's getting really intense out here. I've been getting alerts all day about the storm coming through, so let's go ahead and hone in on the action. That wind is freaking kicking it, buddy. Holy crap. Yeah, guys, I have been getting alerts all afternoon about this storm coming in. Look how strong this wind is. Holy crap. I guarantee you these gusts are anywhere from 60, some gusts maybe 70. It got really strong a minute ago. I just happened to walk outside and it was freaking blowing. The storms on radar look really nasty too. Whoa, big strike of lightning over there by the field. Oh, she's coming. This is gonna be a good one, folks. Shee! Come on with you, come on. Let's get it going. Shee! Look at them trees. Oh, shit. That's a big gust. Oh, shit. Damn, that gust about pushed me all the way back. Holy crap, dude. That was freaking crazy. That was a really strong gust. Here comes another strong one. Holy crap, I hope one of these tree branches don't fall on top of my head. Holy shit, dude. Whoa! I'm under this great big tree, guys. That's what I'm worried about. Wow. We ain't had a storm this strong in quite some time. See, normally I don't pay much attention to all the alerts because, you know, they're nothing to this extreme ever. That's pretty wild. Here we go. Here comes another strong gust. Good God, look at that tree. Holy shit. You guys pray for me. Oh, damn, I just got hit by debris. Wow. Sheesh. Look how fast them clouds are moving up there, guys. They are moving. You got shit falling out the trees left and right. I'm ducking and dodging, baby. Shee! Come on with you, come on. Let's get it going. Holy crap. Look at that pine tree over there just swaying. Look at that. Shee! The storm ain't no joke. Got lightning flashing over here, this direction. Oh, she's coming. Guys, if you enjoy these storm vlogs, make sure you hit that like button, hype the video, drop those comments down below. Mother Nature's getting wild this evening, folks. Come on. Look at that big old tree up there just swaying. I wouldn't doubt it. That thing breaks. Look at that thing. It's riding the wind up there, son. Good Lord have mercy. Come on, Weedy. Comes another strong gust, guys. Wow. Now, I haven't looked at the radar in about 10 minutes, guys, so I don't know exactly where the main part of the storm is, but I know it ain't far away. It's coming right over top of the house. This is going to get nuts. I have been seeing a couple strikes of lightning over here to my right. This is going to get pretty nasty. It's already getting nasty. Look at this wind, guys. Oh, we got thunder. I just heard thunder. This is meteorologist Mikey, who is not a meteorologist whatsoever, coming to you live, folks. We're dealing with high winds, lightning, thunder, and it's about to get crazy. Come on. Come on with you, come on. We about to get it going. Let's go. You guys know how I am with these storms. I'm a freaking goofball. Crazy as hell to be out here. But y'all enjoy it, so I'm gonna keep on doing it. Come on. As long as a tree branch don't hit me upside the head or I get struck by lightning, we good to go. All right, the wind is calming down just a little bit. Not too much. Getting a nice little gust coming through here. Look how dark it got out here already, though. It got really dark out here because of a nice little gust. Look at that tree up there. Gee. All right, here comes the rain, guys. Here comes the rain. Just got another thunderstorm warning on my phone. I've done got like 6 of these. 3 of them has been back to back to back. Look how fast them clouds are moving up there. You guys probably can't see it on camera. Yeah, you can't see it on camera. Oh, we got some thunder coming. Damn, this is a good one, y'all. But yeah, these alerts are coming back to back to back. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit. I feel some rain. I don't think I've ever gotten as many alerts or warnings like I have this evening. The weather people must know something that I don't. And you already know I'm meteorologist Mikey, but I'm not a meteorologist whatsoever. Oh yeah, here comes the rain, guys. Here comes the stinking rain. Oh, it's about to start dumping on me here in a minute. All right, we're gonna go under the tree. We're gonna go under the tree. Here we go. Holy shit, it's coming down. It is coming down. I'm getting wet. Damn. Oh yeah. I'm getting wet. Gonna be a hell of a storm. Now I don't know if there's gonna be another supercell behind this one or if it's just one big old thunderstorm coming through. Y'all can see the rain falling a little bit on camera, not much, but I'm telling you, I am getting soaked. I'm standing under this big old tree right here. Holy shit, the rain is coming down. All right, we're about to retreat. We're about to retreat, guys. All right, yeah, I'm getting wet. Shit. Sheesh! Oh, shit. That's some cold rain too. Feels pretty good. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to retreat. Got some thunder rolling, guys. Oh, I'm still getting wet. That rain is freaking dumping on me. Got like this little overhang right here on the front porch, but it ain't doing but so much with the wind blowing, you know. It is freaking pouring the rain. Look, you can't even see the field, it's raining so bad. Them woods over there. Whoa, that was a big flash of lightning. Well, the strongest part of the wind has died down a little bit. We got a torrential downpour now, guys. Got some thunder rolling in the back. You hear that thunder? Listen to that. We got some thunder. We got a little bit of lightning. I don't even think the main part of the storm is even here yet. It's a pretty big supercell from what I can see on radar. We definitely need the rain though. Thankfully, we are officially out of the drought. I know I've been talking about that in my other previous storm vlogs. We are out of the drought, which is a good thing. We ended up getting a lot of rain over the past couple of weeks, but it won't no thunderstorms, you know, so I didn't even record it. This has been the first thunderstorm we've gotten in probably about a month, guys. We got a little bit of lightning striking over there. It's nothing crazy. I don't even think I captured that one on camera. The camera keeps fogging up. It's really humid out here. Listen to that thunder, guys. As you can see, the wind is chilled out. Not half as windy now. It's not as much lightning in it as I was expecting, you know. Sure as hell can hear that thunder though. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. Alright, so what I want to do, since the rain is kind of slowing down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and go check the radar, and I'm going to get with y'all here in just a few minutes. You guys stay tuned. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead, go back inside. If anything gets crazy out here, I'll turn you guys on. If there's any crazy lightning strikes or anything, listen to that thunder. Mainly all we got now is a bunch of rain and some thunder. Looks like this is going to clear out here pretty soon, so whoa, that was a strike of lightning. It came from over here. That was a nice little strike of lightning. All right, you guys, the storm is pretty much gone. Got a little bit of thunder in the distance, but the main part of the storm is gone. Nothing too crazy happened in this one. A lot of high winds, a lot of damaging winds. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the storm vlog. If you did, please go ahead, hit that like button, hype the video, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Meteorologist Mikey, who is not a meteorologist whatsoever, signing out. Peace.